Hello, welcome friends. Friends, welcome to the solution of standard 10th social science. Okay, friends. So, friends, it took me a lot of hard work, and I am uploading this video after 5 or to 6 hours of working on the paper. Okay, friends. So, please subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe my channel, only then I will upload the other solution. Okay, friends. So, your support is also very necessary because it requires lots of hard work in searching the answers and finding the correct answer, comparing the answers and writing and bringing up to you. Okay, friends. So please subscribe my channel, and your duty is please share this video with all your classmates, friends, all your classmates. Share this video with all your classmates, and also let them take the benefit. And friends, let us start the solution. Okay, friends. This is the first solution, proper solution, which I am giving to you. Okay, as you all know, answer the following questions as directed. Okay, spiritual guru of Gandhiji is Srimad Ramchandra. Okay, Bandung Conference, Indonesia. Asimha Chatterjee. His name is related with chemistry. World Environment Day is 5th June. Okay, now state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, do or die slogan was given by Gandhiji at the time of Quit India movement. Okay, question number 2. Lok Sabha is a permanent house. Yeah, absolutely false. Normally monsoon in India starts from Kerala. Okay, monsoon in India starts from Kerala. Then answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. Answer the following. What were the immediate cause of 1857? Okay, and who established the interim government of the provisional government? Okay, friends, this answer only one two sentences. Okay, friends, so only these two answer. Okay, so only these two answer I have left it for you all. Only these two answer I have left it for you all. Rest all answer I have sent it. Okay, and these two answer I have left because whoever gets the answer, please answer in the comment box. Okay, I have left up to you. Okay, so please answer in the comment box. Name the major festivals of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Okay, okay, let's go now. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Okay, Cuba was seized by USA. Okay, country USA. Then post of the chairman of Rajya Sabha is, okay, vice president. Then when the sun rays fall directly on the tropic of cancer, India experience, answer in the comment box. India experience, answer in the comment box. Okay, Dash was the governor general at the time of partition of India to Mountbatten. Okay, the headquarters of the Free Legal Services Committee is situated at Ahmedabad. Normally, people associate flood with river. Okay, so people associate flood with river. Now, section B. Okay, now section B. I am going to give you all the solution in the PDF. Why did the non-cooperative movement withdraw? Write a short note. Okay, everything, each and every questions. Each and every questions I will be sharing the PDF with you. Okay, let's go to the PDF. Okay, so this is question number. Okay, friends, so this is question number 5. This is question number 5. Okay, this is not question number 10, but it is question number 5. I have brought it from the book. So this is question number 5. Okay, so just do it. This is not question number 10, but this is question number 5. You can write it. Gandhiji's non-cooperative movement was passive. Okay, non-violent resistance. Write any 1 or 2 point. Okay, write any 2 points. Okay, I have brought down here 4 points, but you write only 2 points. I am reading the 2 points. Gandhiji's non-cooperative movement was passive, non-violent resistance to the British rule in India. Okay, on 5th February 1922, a violent incident took place in Chauri Chawra village of Gorakhpur district, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so write only 2 points. And after then, we'll be coming to the short note. Okay, these two short note. Okay, first is Arvind Ghosh, and then it is Madam Kama. Okay, friends, this is question number 6. This is question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, question number 6, 1 and 2. Okay, so you can have a look at this. Question number 6, 1 and 2. Okay, next we are going. Now this write about non-aligned movement. Write about non-aligned movement. Question number 7. This is question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a statesman of visionary who believed in non-alignment as the solution to the problem created by the power of struggle between USA and USSR. Okay, then Nehru advocated and practiced the policy of non-alignment to protect India's national interest and further the cause of world peace. Okay, you can write these 2 points. Okay, now let's go dual citizenship. Then comes dual citizenship. What is dual citizenship? Question number 8. This is question number, okay, question number 8.1. Question number 8.1, dual citizenship. Question number 8. In federal state like the USA, citizens are given dual citizenship. They are citizens of the United States as well as the state in which they reside and register. They have as votes. Although India is a federal state, there is no dual citizenship. Okay, and then comes second. What is democracy? Okay, this is question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Second, what is democracy? Democracy is for the people, by the people, and of the people. Okay, let's go further. Now question number 9. What are the qualifying factors of, okay, question number 9. This answer number 9, you can have a look. This is answer number 9. Okay, question number 9 is the answer. An individual must be a citizen of India. A person must not exceed 65 years of age. In order to be eligible for the Chief Justice of India, the person must serve as the judge at High Court for at least 5 years. Of 5 years of the person should be an advocate in the High Court of the Supreme Court. Okay, now the India is a secular country. Okay, this is question number 10. This is question number, okay, question number 10. This is not question number 5, question number 10. India is a secular state and country. COUNTRY. Okay, the constitution makers were well aware of the diversity of religion, race, caste, language, and culture. They wanted to maintain unity in diversity. Okay, let's go further. So you can write down, there is separation of state and religion. There is no official religion of the state. The citizen have been given freedom of religion. Okay, and 2 to 3 points you can write down. In all the answers are long, but you can write down 2 to 3 points. Okay, now employing child labor offensive. Okay, you can write any 1, 2 to 3 points. This is, okay, this is question number 11. Okay, this is question number 11. Answer to question number 11. Okay, answer to question number 11. Okay, you can see this is not question number 8, but answer to question number 11. The Constitution of India has granted right against the exploitation to every citizen. Employment of children in hazardous occupation was a form of exploitation. Okay, you can write down 2 to 3 points. Okay, any 2 points you can write down. You can write down these 2 points. Okay, let's go further. Okay, how many tectonic plates are there? Okay, how many tectonic plates are there? Mention their names. So we can write down this question to answer number 12. This is answer number 12. There are 7 tectonic plates: North American plate, South American plate, Pacific plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, and Antarctica plate. Okay, now question number 13. Okay, question number 13, peninsula. Okay, this is question number 13, 1 and 2. Question number 13. Okay, question number 13, this is 1 and this is 2. You can write down the answer. Okay, friends. Okay, now let's go to question number 14. Okay, let's go to question number 14. This is question number 14. Okay, this is question number 14. No need to write. Okay, no need to write this question. You can directly write answer number 14. Answer number 14. Man causes the maximum destruction of the forest. Reason for the destruction of forest: increasing population, the policy to establish industries away from the city, urbanization and industrialization. Okay, you can write down this much thing. 2 to 3 points is enough. 2 to 3 points is enough in everything. Okay, let's go to now the section C starts. Section C. Now it's time for section. Okay, it's time for section C. Okay, now let's go to section C. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre is long. You can just question. This is question number. This is question number 15. Okay, question number 15 and not 13. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Okay, this is the half answer. Half answer is on the next page. Okay, half answer is here. You can also write 2 to 3 points. Only write 2 to 3 points. This is the question number 15. Okay, question number 15 is continue. Question number 15 continue. Okay, now let's go to question number. Okay, now question number 16 I have left for you. Question number 16 I have left for you. Okay, this is question number 17. Okay, this is question number 17. So you can write down question number 17 direct answer. Operation Vijay is a military action undertaken by the government of India in 1961 to liberate Goa, Diu and Daman from the Portuguese rule. Operation Vijay, you can add 1 point. Okay, it will be enough. 1 or 2 points will be enough. Okay, 2 points will be enough. Okay, people in Goa started Satyagraha for the liberation of Goa and received support from the people in the different parts of India. Okay, now let's go to question number 18. Okay, question number 18 is very easy. It asks us about how many types of fundamental rights are there. There are 6 types of fundamental rights and all are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 types of fundamental rights are. Then now let's go to question number 8. So question number 19. This is question number 19. Okay, and this is question number 19, and this answer. The bill represents the draft of a legislative proposal. An ordinary bill can be introduced in either house, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. When it passes by the both houses of the parliament and assented to by the president, it becomes act of the parliament. Okay, this is answer number 19. Let's go to answer number 20. Okay, this is answer number 20. Okay, any 5 festival let write. Okay, write down the fairs and festivals. So you can write down this fair and festival. This is answer number 19. Okay, sorry, answer number 20. Answer number 20 question. Okay, answer number 20. Question 20, this is the answer. Festival and holy days. Major festival of Punjab are Baisakhi and Lohri, while Eid and Muharram are the main festival of Jammu Kashmir. Dasara is celebrated in Kullu in Himachal Pradesh. Holi is the main festival in Uttar Pradesh beside Savitri. Okay, Shivratri, Ramnavami, Janmashtami, Dasera, Eid Muharram, all things, and the fairs are given here. You can write this and this. Well-known fairs are Dasera festival of Kullu, Maitreya's fair in Punjab, Kumbh Mela and Megh Mela. Okay, you can write down. Now let's go. This was question number 20. Sorry, this was question number 20. Okay. Now let's go to question number 21. Let's go to question number 21. Question number 21. Okay, this is answer number 21. Answer number 21. Okay, remedies. Okay, how can we save the forest or conserve the forest? Okay, wildlife. Now remedies to conserve wildlife are as follows. Forest should be protected and a long-term planning should be made by government to conserve them successfully. Strong laws should be formed from the conservation of the forest and wildlife, and citizens should be ready to implement them. Okay, you can write on one more point, the social NGO. You can write one more point. The social NGO should give priority to the conservation of wildlife for programs of the awareness. Okay, you can write on these all points, but it is useless. Only write how much marks. Write according to marks. Write about the utility of forest. Okay, economic benefits of forest. This is the utility of forest. How we use forest. Okay, utility of forest, economic benefits of forest. Wood is a major product of the forest. Strong and durable timber, wood like pine, seal and became available from the forest. Next, here you can write down these 2 points. Okay, this is answer number 22. Answer number 22. Both are answer number 22. First I have not written, so now I am writing answer number 22. Okay, Okay, next. Then answer number 23 is right. Short note on Dandi March. So this answer number 23. Okay, this answer number 23. Dandi March was a part of a civil disobedience movement wherein it was decided that Mahatma Gandhi will violate the SALT Act on seashore at Dandi. Okay, Gandhiji addressed a people. Gandhiji addressed a public meeting on 11th March 1930 at Ahmedabad and made an appeal to the people to resolutely oppose the government in non-violent ways. Gandhiji started his Dandi March on 12th March of the Sabarmati Harijan Ashram with his 78 followers and walked distance of 370 kilometers to Dandi to Navsari district. On 29 March, Gandhiji stated that he shall die the death of crow and the dog but will not return to Sabarmati Ashram without attaining the Purna Swaraj. People extended hearty welcome to Satyagrahis on the way to Dandi. Okay, this is the short note. So you have to write these 4 marks. You have to write the whole. It is on your hand how much you want to write. Okay, Gandhiji and his followers reached Dandi on 5th April. Okay, on the morning of 6th April, picked up an handful of salt. He announced that I have broken the salt law. Okay, now effect of human life. Okay, explain the effect of climate of human life. Question number 24. This is question number 24. Okay, answer number 24. Effect of climate on human life. How climate effect affects human life. Only one crop can be taken depending on the rain in the region without the facility of irrigation. As the crop do not get adequate water at proper time, the delay causes the failure of seeds and the crop is also destroyed. Crops are destroyed due to excessive rain also. Okay, we can say flood causes soil erosion and the decrease of fertility. Friends, you write this whole because this is 4 marks. Okay, this answer consists of 4 marks, so write it down till here. Okay, write it down till here and then only you will get a proper marks. Okay, if you want whole marks, just write it down the whole answer. Now let us go to the next. See, point 5 is given. Point 6, the agro based industries have to suffer as they do not get their raw material due to the uncertainty of rain. Irregular rain also, okay, aggravates the shortage of drinking water. The life of people living in desert and foothills of mountain become full of hardship. So this is the thing. Now let's go to question number 25. Okay, 25, answer number 25. This is answer number 25. Print media and electronic media. Okay, you write down. The print media is the oldest media which was in existence even when electronic media was not invented. So it is very much old media. The electronic media are in the modern media which were invented in 20th century. Okay, print media, they include the newspaper, periodicals and the journals in different subjects. Okay, they include the radio, television, films and of the late computer based internet, social media, the news item, the news report, editorials and articles are published in the printed form which can be read only by the educated person. The newspaper, breaking news, panel discussion, live telecast of the political event are telecast, broadcast, screen and viewed by even the illiterate. Illiterate means the person who are less educated. These are regarded as the fourth column of the democracy as the criticized policy of the government and the misdeeds of the official. These two are regarded as the fourth column. So this is your rule, you can write down. Okay, now let's go. Okay, this we have completed. Okay, now next question. What is terrorism? And this is answer number 26. Okay, answer number 26. So what is terrorism? Okay, you write down this. The question is what is terrorism. Now the people who opt for terrorizing people through weapon for the political and the religious motive and spread fear, terror, violence, insecurity or chaos among the people are called terrorists. The atmosphere which they create is known as terrorism. Okay, now the terrorists perform the following activities. Friend, listen, this is question number 26. Okay, the terrorists perform the following activities to spread terrorism: to do suicidal attacks, use human bomb, throw bombs, rocket, and plant mines. Okay, and this another thing: prepare a hit list. Okay, prepare a hit list, hide the destructive weapons and use them, hijack the planes, kidnap people and kill the kidnapped person in very cruel way, form a mafia group, transact drugs and extort money, attack religious places, plant bombs in buses and or trains, etc. Okay friends, so question number 27, you need a map, and in a map you will, it is very easy for you. Okay friends, so please, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and only if you subscribe my channel, then I will bring the another solution of the video. Okay friends, thank you very much, and please share this video with all your friends. It will be, I will be very thankful to you if you do this, and I will bring all the solutions very soon on this channel. So please stay tuned to my channel and please subscribe, and please share this video with all your friends, and please press the bell icon. Thank you.